In this video, I'm going to be discussing array of and then just array because they're very, very similar and could get confused here. So what array of does is that it will take whatever you throw in as an argument and just make an array out of it, which is pretty handy. So let's just come into here, array.of, and we'll do this. And we see you get 1, 2, 3, 4. That's pretty handy. Now we have an array. If we wanted to assign this to some kind of value, constant, whatever, we will now have a brand new array. Now, like some other methods, you're like, well, if I put numbers array in here, I should just still have the same array, right? Well, now you have like a nested array in here. So be careful when you're doing this. If you want to just be careful if you're putting an array into something you're making an array out of anyways. So you'll get a nested structure. But let's go ahead and talk about array. So if we were to move array of and just have array in here, get rid of this, let's do 10. What do you think this will print out? Will it be an array with just 10 in it, or will it be what's going to happen? Let's run this experiment. And we see we have 10 empty items. Now keep in mind that there's no value here. So if we were to go in and let's actually remove this out here, const new array, and we were to do this, we would see that it is undefined. And that makes sense, right? We just have 10 empty slots. So if you wanted to, though, you could come into here and do, what do you think this is going to do? This is kind of different, right? We're not giving it just one singular value. Are we going to have some kind of jagged multi-dimensional array? Well, let's put this in here. And we see that if you provide multiple arguments in here, that you will also be getting an array back. So this is array and then array of. If you like this content, like, share, subscribe. I appreciate you all viewing this. And so does my dog, Bernie. And have a great rest of your day.